Hi, welcome to PR Tech Talk. Today I have a short video regarding Jtag interface. Many evaluation boards today comes with a built-in Jtag interface for easy debugging, but sometimes they don't. So then you need to get an external Jtag interface, which can be quite expensive. Keil and Sega are two common manufacturers of these tools. They can be quite expensive and sometimes offers even more debugging features than the built-in does. However, I will show you how you can use, in this case on Renaissance, EK-RA6M3 board, which have a built-in Sega Jtag, to be used as an external interface to an RSSK-RA2L1 board that don't have this built-in Jtag. So this is the board, the RSSK-RA2L1 CapTouch board from Renaissance. It doesn't come with a built-in Jtag, it only has the Jtag debugger port there. This USB port normally are using also a Jtag built-in, but in this case there are none. So this USB port only gives power to the MCU and also gives a serial port to the MCU. So for the Jtag we need to acquire an external interface to this one. This is one J-Link interface from IAR. This specific device is a bit old and don't have support for this device, so I can't use this one. But in my case, I'm going to use this EK-RA6M3, which do have an USB port and the small device there that emulates the Sega J-Link interface. Normally, this Sega J-Link interface are giving the Jtag interface to this MCU sitting here, which is the EK-RA6M3. But we can, by moving some jumpers here, there's actually only one jumper, it's called J8 I think. That is normally in position 1, 2, and if we move it to position 2, 3, we don't debug on that MCU any longer, but we use this as a USB to Jtag interface out instead, like that. In this specific case we still need to power this from the USB, and this one is then using, this board is only using as a Jtag interface. So this is an easy way to repurpose a board that you perhaps already have on your warehouse and in your drawer somewhere, and don't need to buy an external Jtag interface. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.